Yo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is in God's hands. You landed in the big one's hands, and you know we say on this page, allow yourself to be molded, crafted, change to a better, stronger form, but also take advantage that you are in their hands because you have their ear also. So ask the questions and ask for the blessings, ask for the needs and wants that you desire while you have their ear, and ask them, how do I maintain it? How do I grasp it? How do I start? How do I maintain? How do I create? That's the best place that you can be, and you have the full attention of the creator. But allow yourself to be molded. Don't resist. Go with the change, because where you're going, you can't take that old personality. You can't take those old attributes. You must be your most powerful self, your greater self, your highest self. My trust in life is implicit. God's greater knowing and greatest love guides my heart and my choices. My faith is steady, and I remain true to my light. Everything unfolds according to God's will, God's timing. You're in the right place, right time, in the right position. So continue to allow yourself to be molded and keep moving forward, because you came this far, not to stop, but to continue and be prosperous. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.